There's different ways that we can connect with the energies of summer. Summer has a very expansive energy. How did you get into making these wheels first?
Well, I met a woman online about 14 years ago. Mm-hmm. She lives down in Nimitabel. So we became very good friends, and I've always been interested in the seasons, but I never did anything like this. And she just said to me, well, this is what I do. So each season she would give me some ideas and I'd just tweak it.
Yeah.
And then I got books and looked into my Cornish ancestry and my Irish ancestry, and they used to make these things.
Yeah, what do they make them from?
They made, well, they would have had wool, but it wouldn't have been like this.
No, it would like straight from the sheep almost.
Yeah, and they used to use vines, so whatever was out, probably spun flax or linen that they used to spin, but
so why do you make them? What's the symbolism?
It's probably as a focus. So when I make them, I weave prayers into them and blessings. So it's the one I actually made at solstice. And I'd just like to say about solstice and midsummer. Solstice is actually...
Can you do it like that? Yeah.
Solstice is actually an astrological date. So whenever it falls, it falls. Mm-hmm. But there's midsummer. And I go back to the Celtic Wheel of the Year, which is quite old. It's agriculture. So it's not the modern version that everybody has all these names for. This is like an old one where our ancestors would have followed the Wheel of the Year according to the agricultural, whatever was flowering in your garden. Yeah. So everybody's different. So I weave and I'll go, whoever enters this house, may they have blessings, may they leave their troubles behind. So I'll go round and round till it gets big enough. But I used ash, the tree of ash, which I've got out there. People actually walk over my threshold, they'll get those blessings too, So then they hang there all year, and that blessing, people coming into my, so it absorbs energy.
What are we doing first?
Okay, so I've got the stick. This is oak, and then I just usually cut it to whatever size.
Was there a reason you chose oak?
Because that's actually the tree for January on my wobbly tree calendar, I call it.
So what is the tree calendar?
It's something that people follow, and I got it off an Irish teacher. So this is a real wobbly
You'll have to put me onto it since I've got the Cornish blood as well.
Yeah. So there's no size, right? So whatever. Sometimes you can make big ones. Like I made a big one year, like huge from a gate. And this is the fun part, which So what I do is you've got to get, it's like a cross, right? Mm-hmm. So what I do to start with is I just wind this round and round just to hold it. Not doing a good job here, but anyway. So it has to come here. Oh gosh, there and around there. Can you get in this?
Yeah, I'm zooming in.
And then because the stick's a bit wobbly, it's hard to do.
Well, that's working with nature, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wobbly like us.
So what the idea is, it's actually supposed to look like a sun. I have used other things, but I thought I'd just use this bit of ribbon just for the middle. So you go round like that. So this is the beginning. So you just go around like that, round like that, round like that. And that's just to hold it there. So you'll, because it's not straight, but anyway, pull it round like that and round like that. And then tie it. I'm not very good at this. So that's the beginning of it. So tie it tight because it does move. So that's like the middle of the sun. Right? So...
Because they're called sun wheels, yeah?
Sun wheels, yeah. So usually if I was doing this, I'd be by myself and I'd be saying, you know, whatever prayer, whatever. I mean, you know, it can even, any prayer. It doesn't have to be a prayer. It can just be blessing. And I think going back, our ancestors, like people's ancestors, European, I'm talking European here, would have probably, because midsummer is the fullness of our crop.
Yeah.
So they would have been giving thanks for that. So they would have been thanking God or whoever for what they got. So that would be all woven in there. And it would take them through the year.
It's always nice to have thank you prayers.
Yeah, and it is. Thanks is very important. So what we do now is you have a bit of a tail. You just got to hold that. So you go over that and around and then to the next one. So you go under it. Mm-hmm. Just keep all the tails out. These all get around and under. It's easier to do when. So you just
got me looking over your shoulder. Yeah. So
it's not working. I mean, it is working. It will, like, it doesn't look like it's working, but it is. The beginning's always a bit rugged. Yeah. You know, I'm thinking, oh, this is awful, but it turns out like.
No, a lot of
so then it's always like under, and you can, I mean, on the YouTube you can find this.
So it's always under.
Yeah. So under.
Yeah.
Around, and then under. So you're twisting it.
Yeah. Around, under.
And under.
Around.
And under.
Under.
And it doesn't look like much
around.
into it. And under, so that we've gone around there.
Yeah. Under,
around. So you go under that one, and then around.
Yeah.
So you keep doing that, and I'll just do it quickly.
Right, so did you cut them together? Did you join them or are you just holding on to it?
No, I'm still holding them.
Just holding them, yeah.
So at the back, hold it round. I go around twice and then under.
Yeah.
Same. So you just keep going like that.
Under.
Once it's...
So it's around and under, around and under. And that's quite meditative as
well. Yeah, it is very meditative. I do mine outside. Sometimes I'll go to Katoomba Falls.
Yeah, nice.
Do it.
And you can bring in the energy of any the place you are as well.
You know, and it's so nice to do. So you just keep going there until it's what you want. And you'll notice there that, you know, it's a bit wonky because I probably went the wrong way, which happens quite often, but that's fine.
That's part of the charm.
You know, because when it's like that, you can actually weave herbs into it.
Yeah, nice.
So keep going like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
So I'll go round.
Okay.
So then you get the tails that you've been holding and you just tie them. Just, you know, tie them off. No need. Just like that. Yeah. Just so they don't come undone. You can leave that hanging if you want, and you can hang herbs off it. So, you know, like that. I'll probably do that. Bells, you know, charms, whatever. Leaves.
Well, like you said, you had your grandmother's wedding dress, was it?
Yeah, I had my grandmother's wedding dress, tied that in.
Sorry.
And then I'll cut them, right? So what I do is I cut them off. This is only going to be a very small one, but I'll hang that in my garden.
Yeah, nice.
Like that. You know, so you've got to be careful you don't actually break all the sticks. And then the top one will also have a bit up there because I'll tie a bit of string onto that to hang it. Or something, and then you can add charms, and into these you can put herbs.
Yeah, like you did on the other ones.
Yeah, like on the other ones I had mugwort on one, yarrow, whatever. You know, the one that I made just this year, I put out under the moon. Actually, it was a solstice. I put it out, and I sprinkled it with holy water.
Oh, nice.
Because that's my faith.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it.
That's
just
beautiful.
like a little simple sun wheel.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you.
For sharing your summer solstice craft.
That's all right.
And the beauty that is.
I'm happy to share.
This. I don't know, I'm just trying to focus because he keeps going out of focus.
Don't focus on me.
And then you just kind of smile and look wise.
I was. Don't look
these new
So
iPhones.
are you actually recording that?
I'm recording now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are just from past years.
I like this one.
Yeah, that was about, it's got mugwort on the bottom of it.
I said mugwort's been there
Yes, for a couple of years,
yeah, that's so cool.
And sometimes, you know, you can put them into a circle that becomes like a bit of a Celtic cross.
yeah,
And
it does
then
too.
that one a couple of years ago I made.
Oh, that's the
I
spider
wanted
web
something that looked a bit kind of organic, you know, as much as I could, so I made it looking like that. This one here's got...
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
This one here...
That's that granny's one. That's cool.
Yeah, well it is. It's got a bit of lace that was off my grandmother's dress, and this is one of her beads.
See, that's nice. You
yeah.
can do little...
And I was thinking about her...
You make it your own.
Yeah.
You make it your own.
So there are no rules.
No. That's what we like. No rules.
Yeah.
People get too tied up in rules.
Yeah.